Good morning to all the students of class 1. Today, in our EVS class, we are going to begin with chapter number 11 from our book, The Enviro Watch. And the name of this chapter is Our Festivals. Let us begin with the starter activity. You have to match the following festivals with their related things. Yes, you are right. Holi will match with this colorful jet. Diwali will match with this beautiful diya. Eid will match with yummy sweets. Christmas will match with Santa Claus. And Gurpurab will match with Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Children, we look forward to some special days throughout the year. We enjoy these special days with our friends and relatives. These special occasions are called festivals. We celebrate so many festivals. Those festivals which are related to our family functions are called family festivals. Birthday is a family festival. We celebrate with our friends and relatives. They bring presents for us. We sing and dance. We have a lot of fun. Everyone wishes us happy birthday. Wedding is also a family festival. We dress up in beautiful, fine clothes on the wedding. We eat special food. Many people attend it. We have so much fun. Religious festivals. These are celebrated by people of different religions and they are called religious festivals. Diwali is the festival of light. On this day, people decorate their homes. They worship Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. People wear new clothes and they eat sweets. Children play with crackers and sparklers. Gurpurab is celebrated as the birthday of Sikh gurus. Sikhs pray in gurdwaras. Gurdwaras are decorated with flowers and lights. People give food to the poor and the needy. Eid comes immediately after the festival of Ramzan. Muslims go to mosques for mass prayers. They greet each other. They say Eid Mubarak. They prepare a sweet dish of semia. Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on 25th December every year. Christians go to the church for mass prayer and they decorate Christmas trees. This is all about our festivals today. Let us recall we enjoy festivals with our family and friends. We celebrate many types of festivals, such as family festivals and religious festivals. Birthday and weddings are some family festivals. Diwali, Gurpurab, Eid, and Christmas are religious festivals. Hope you enjoyed this small chapter on festivals. Thank you and have a lovely day ahead.